As the summer sun beckons us to dive into crystal clear waters, maintaining a pristine pool becomes a priority. Enter the world of robot pool cleaners, innovative devices designed to take the hassle out of pool maintenance. With a myriad of options available, choosing the best one for your needs can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore the best robot pool cleaners on the market, highlighting their features, efficiency, and user experiences so you can enjoy a sparkling clean pool without breaking a sweat. Let's dive in. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the WYBOT Robot Cordless Pool Cleaner. If you're looking to revolutionize your pool cleaning routine, the WYBOT Robot Cordless Pool Cleaner offers an exceptional solution tailored for in-ground pools. This 4-in-1 automatic cleaner tackles floors, walls, water lines, and stairs, using triple motors to boost its climbing power even on 45-degree slopes. Its enhanced obstacle avoidance ensures smooth navigation around drains, so you can trust it to handle every corner of your pool. If you value deep and efficient cleaning, you'll appreciate its powerful suction. Featuring an upgraded independent water pump motor, it delivers twice the suction strength to lift debris such as sand, leaves, and algae. Dual PVC brushes secure a firm grip on surfaces like tile, mosaic, and glass, ensuring comprehensive cleaning without unexpected pauses. If smart technology is important to you, Smart Navigation 3.0 takes control. The integrated app lets you customize cleaning routes or activate Auto Smart mode, while high-precision sensors map your pool's shape with precision. This ensures the S-Path efficiently covers floors and the N-Path navigates walls, leaving no spot untouched. If ease of maintenance matters, you'll enjoy its large filter basket with a 180 micrometers mesh that captures fine debris. The top-load design allows for quick rinsing with no additional tools. Additionally, the upgraded rechargeable battery offers 120 to 150 minutes of continuous runtime, making it ideal for in-ground pools up to 1,614 square feet and a water depth of 9.8 feet. A brief 3-hour recharge keeps the cleaner ready to ensure your pool remains impeccably clean. At number 4, Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you're seeking a hassle-free solution to pool cleaning, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner is your ideal partner. This advanced device tackles every pool surface with exceptional wall-scrubbing power, ensuring you enjoy a spotless pool regardless of the surface type, even when manual cleaning methods feel overwhelming. While this model doesn't clean the waterline, its focused design means you get thorough cleaning results where it matters most. You'll appreciate the active scrubbing feature that puts an end to the tedious task of manual brushing. The built-in active scrubbing brush gently yet effectively removes stubborn debris, leaving your pool pristine without compromising the surfaces. Maintaining your pool's clarity is a breeze thanks to the user-friendly top-load filter basket. When debris accumulates, you can simply access and clean the filter, ensuring crystal clear water for your enjoyment throughout the season. Ease of use is paramount. With a plug-and-play system, you simply connect, drop the cleaner into your pool, and power it on. Within just 2 hours, you can be confident that your pool is undergoing a meticulous cleaning process, freeing up your time to relax or host gatherings. By choosing the Dolphin Nautilus CC, you're investing in automated efficiency. It takes the guesswork out of routine pool maintenance, providing consistent results so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool. Number 3, we have the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you're looking for an advanced solution to keep your pool sparkling clean, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner could be your answer. This AI-powered robotic cleaner excels in mapping and cleaning, showcasing its remarkable capabilities right from its first use. Designed for pools like yours, up to 12,000 gallons and with irregular shapes, the AquaSense 2 Ultra navigates with precision, tackling floors, walls, water lines, and surfaces effectively. What sets the Beatbot apart is its intelligent AI technology. During the initial cleaning cycle, the robot creates a detailed map of your pool which it uses to optimize future cleaning sessions. You'll notice that after its first run, it becomes faster and more efficient, learning the best routes and methods to ensure your pool is cleaned thoroughly and in less time. After 3 months of testing, the improvements in speed and efficiency are striking, confirming that this model is a substantial upgrade over its predecessor. With the AquaSense 2 Ultra, you'll spend less time worrying about pool maintenance and more time enjoying your crystal clear water. Let this innovative cleaner take the guesswork out of pool care, providing you with a hassle-free experience and more time to relax and enjoy your pool. Investing in the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra means choosing a cleaner that evolves with your pool, ensuring optimal results for seasons to come. At number 2, Dolphin Nautilus Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you own an above-ground pool, you know that maintaining it can present unique challenges, especially if you have delicate vinyl liners. Choosing the right pool cleaning robot is essential for effectively managing debris and ensuring a pristine swimming environment. The Dolphin Nautilus Ultra Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a top choice. Designed specifically for above-ground pools, this robotic vacuum excels at scrubbing and vacuuming away algae and debris, even from pesky leaves that can accumulate nearby. With intelligent mapping technology, the Nautilus Ultra ensures comprehensive coverage of your pool, reaching every nook and cranny. It's capable of servicing pools up to 25 feet in length, provided there's a nearby power outlet. What sets the Nautilus Ultra apart is its user-friendly design. You don't need to fuss with complicated apps or configurations. The one-button operation simplifies the setup process, making it accessible for everyone. You can spend less time worrying about cleaning and more time enjoying your pool. Investing in the Dolphin Nautilus Ultra means you'll achieve a cleaner, more inviting pool with minimal effort. Give yourself the peace of mind that comes with an efficient and reliable cleaning solution. By prioritizing effective cleaning, you can extend the life of your pool and enhance your overall swimming experience. Take the plunge into worry-free pool maintenance with the Nautilus Ultra today. And finally, the number 1 of our list, AIPER Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Cleaner. If you're looking for an efficient solution to keep your pool sparkling clean, the AIPER Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Cleaner is designed with you in mind. This 3-in-1 powerhouse effectively cleans the floor, walls, and waterline of your pool, with a standout feature being its exceptional ability to scrub stubborn water lines. With its intense scrubbing action and powerful suction, the AIPER Scuba S1 expertly dislodges dirt and grime that may have settled in hard-to-reach areas. You can choose from multiple cleaning options tailored to your needs, whether you want a thorough clean of the entire pool or to focus specifically on a troublesome spot. This robotic cleaner adeptly manages a variety of debris, from leaves and twigs to dirt and bugs. You'll appreciate its superior performance at tackling water lines, as it extends 2 inches above the surface and applies horizontal scrubbing for a full minute before repositioning to ensure no area is overlooked. By integrating advanced technology with user-friendly features, the AIPER Scuba S1 simplifies your pool maintenance routine, allowing you to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool. Imagine diving into a refreshing, spotless pool. This is the kind of experience the AIPER Scuba S1 can help you achieve. Cleaning your pool may no longer feel like a chore, but rather a seamless part of your outdoor enjoyment. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which robot pool cleaner you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.